Most people see debt as a financial burden, something to avoid at all costs. But the wealthy see it differently. They use debt as a tool to build wealth, scale businesses, and create financial freedom. If you want to reach your first $1 million, you need to understand how to use debt the smart way. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage debt to create your first $1 million, step by step. Step 1. Understand the power of good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is bad. The key is knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt. Checkmark good debt. 1. Helps you acquire assets that grow in value. 2. Used to generate cash flow or increase net worth. 3. Typically has low interest rates and tax benefits. Examples. Checkmark real estate investments that appreciate in value. You checkmark business loans that increase revenue. You checkmark margin investing in stocks for higher returns. Checkmark student loans, only if they lead to high-paying careers. Crossmark bad debt. 1. Used for things that lose value. 2. Has high interest rates. 3. Keeps you in a cycle of debt with no return. And examples. Crossmark credit card debt for shopping or vacation. Crossmark car loans for luxury vehicles you can't afford. Crossmark personal loans for unnecessary expenses. Light bulb key takeaway. To become a millionaire, you need to focus on acquiring assets using good debt, not wasting money on liabilities. Step 2. Use real estate leverage to build wealth. One of the most powerful ways to use debt to create wealth is real estate investing. Instead of saving for years to buy a property in cash, the wealthy use leverage, borrowing money to acquire appreciating assets. Here's why this works. Small diamond leverage multiplies your returns. A 20% down payment lets you control 100% of the property. Small diamond renters pay your mortgage. Your tenants cover your loan while you build equity. Small diamond appreciation increases your wealth. Property values historically rise, making you richer over time. Light bulb example. 1. You buy a $500,000 rental property with a $100,000 down payment. 2. Over time, the property appreciates to $600,000. 3. You gain $100,000 in net worth while tenants pay off your loan. Key the secret: the more properties you acquire with other people's money, the banks, the faster you reach your first million. Step 3. Use business debt to scale fast. Entrepreneurs don't grow businesses just by saving money. They use business loans and credit to expand quickly. Small diamond startup loans and lines of credit. Instead of waiting years to save, business owners use debt to fund operations and grow. Small diamond buying equipment and inventory. Borrowing money to acquire tools and inventory increases revenue potential. Small diamond marketing and expansion. Investing in ads, branding, and hiring can bring exponential returns. Light bulb example. 1. You take a $50,000 loan to expand an online store. 2. The extra inventory and ads bring in $250,000 in sales. 3. You pay back the loan and profit $200,000. Key the secret: if the return on investment, ROI, is higher than the debt cost, it's smart debt. Step 4. Use margin investing for stock market growth. Margin investing allows you to borrow money from your brokerage to buy more stocks, amplifying returns. Small diamond borrow at low interest rates. Some brokerages offer 5% margin rates, which can be lower than credit cards. Small diamond invest in high dividend stocks. Use debt to buy stocks that pay dividends, allowing passive income. Small diamond buy undervalued assets. Smart investors buy when the market dips using leverage. Light bulb example. 1. You invest $10,000 of your money and borrow $10,000 on margin. 2. If the market rises 20%, your investment grows to $24,000. 3. You repay the $10,000 loan and profit $4,000 instead of just $2,000. Key the secret: margin investing multiplies gains, but only if you manage risk wisely. Step 5. Use debt to create passive income streams. Debt can be a powerful tool for generating passive income. Instead of working harder, use leverage to build income-generating assets. Small diamond: buy cash-flowing rental properties. Borrow money to purchase real estate that pays you monthly. Small diamond: invest in dividend stocks. Borrow at low rates to buy dividend-paying ETFs and stocks. Small diamond: start an automated business. E-commerce, content creation, or affiliate marketing can be scaled with business credit. Light bulb example. 1. You take a $50,000 loan to buy a rental property. 2. The rent generates $1,000 per month after expenses. 3. After a few years, you own an asset worth $300,000 plus while collecting passive income. Key: the secret: use debt to create assets that pay you instead of costing you. Final thoughts. Debt is a tool for wealth, not a trap. Most people stay poor because they fear debt. The rich get rich because they use debt wisely. Checkmark: leverage real estate for long-term wealth. Checkmark: use business credit to grow income stream. Checkmark: invest in stocks with smart debt strategies. Checkmark: use good debt to create passive income. Moneybag: want to reach your first million? Stop avoiding debt, start using it strategically.